So good morning, students. So we'll continue this chapter where I told you that Mr. Nuttall is visiting a hill station because he's having a disease. And he's come here to cure himself. And he has got some introduction letters from his sister who had been here 4 years back. So the niece says that, do you know anything about Mrs. Sappleton? So he says, no, only the name and address. So now she tells the tragedy. The tragedy is that you may wonder why we keep the window wide open on an October afternoon. October, it is very cold, like nowadays it is cold, said the niece. Indicating means pointing a large French window that opened to a lawn. So there is a window and outside is a lawn. And she says that you do not know about this tragedy. And you must be wondering why we keep the window open, although it is cold. So what Mr. Franton says is, it's quite warm for the time of the year. He says the window is open because it is quite warm. But has that window got anything to do with the tragedy? पर क्या इस विंडो का इससे कोई संबंध है tragedy? Tragedy is a bad incident. So now the niece says, out through the window 3 years ago to a day, her husband and the two younger brothers went off for their day's shooting. So now she is telling the story, the tragedy, that 3 years ago from this day, her husband and her brothers had gone out for shooting. Shooting here means hunting. Hunting is when you kill wild animals with guns. That is called shooting. So 3 years back, her husband and two brothers had gone out for shooting. They never came back. And they never came back. They had gone out through this window and they never came back. In crossing the moor is grassland, a land which is full of grass. To their favorite shooting ground, they were all three engulfed in a treacherous piece of bog. Bog is quicksand. In English you say quicksand. In Hindi you call it daldal. So all three of them got stuck in a quicksand. Daldal mein फंस गए. It had been that dreadful wet summer. And why? Because see, quicksand is, if you get into the quicksand, daldal mein फंसते हो, it is very difficult to come out of it. Because the more you try to come out, the more you get inside, the more deeper you get into the quicksand. That is daldal. Here the word written is bog. It had been that dreadful wet summer. You know, and why? Because the summers had been very rainy and the sand was all wet with water and it became a quicksand. And places that were safe in other years gave way suddenly without warning. And suddenly they got stuck in this bog, in this quicksand. Their bodies were never recovered. And their bodies were never recovered. All three of them got stuck in this quicksand and their bodies were never recovered. Unki bodies hi nahi mili. That was the dreadful is, that is the worst part of it, is that their bodies also were not recovered. Here the child's voice lost its self-possessed note. Self-possessed, I told you, is calm and confident about yourself. That is called self-possessed. And became faltering. Faltering here means a voice which is not clear, which is very shaky. Because now she's telling about a tragedy. And the tragedy is that 3 years back, her husband, along with his two brothers, had gone out and they got stuck in the quicksand, daldal, and their bodies were never recovered. And now why they keep the window open? Poor aunt always thinks that they will come back someday. They and the little brown spaniel. Here brown spaniel is a dog. So not only the three of them, they also had a dog along with them. Spaniel is a kind of a breed of a dog that was lost with them and walk in at that window just as they used to do. And now she's telling is, my aunt still believes that her husband, his two brothers and the small brown dog, that is spaniel is the breed of dog, they will come back through this window. This is the tragedy which the niece is explaining to Mr. Nuttall. That is why the window is kept open every evening till it is quite dusk. Dusk is the time when the sun sets and there is little darkness. That time is called dusk. And early morning before the sunrise, when there is little light, that is called dawn. So these are two words, dawn and dusk. So the aunt still believes that one day through that window, her husband, the two brothers, and the dog will come back just as they had left through that window. Poor dear aunt, she has often told me how they went out, and she tells him that her aunt always tells them how they went out. Her husband with his white waterproof coat over his arm, waterproof coat, that is how they went out. And Ronnie is one of her youngest brother. Here we're talking about her brothers singing Betty, why do you bound? And they used to sing this song when they used to go out, as he always did to tease her, because she said it got on her nerves. So she didn't like shooting, so she always objected to their shooting, and that is why her husband used to sing this song, Bertie, why do you bound? Do you know, sometimes on still quiet evenings like this, I almost get a creepy feeling. Creepy is funny feeling that they will walk in through that window. And what she says is that I also sometimes feel, my aunt believes that one day they'll come back through this window. And I also believe, somehow, some days, I also believe that they will come back through this window. So class, this is the first part of this story, and we'll continue with the story in our next video. Thank you all of you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.